What is going on, guys? UnlimitedCop here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy and set up your very first sneaker bot. Now before we get into the video, guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Hunter, or UnlimitedCop. I make videos going over buying sneakers, reselling sneakers, and my journeys throughout all of that. If you guys have not checked out some of my other videos, I would definitely suggest doing so. Now before we get too far into it, guys, you don't have to actually buy a sneaker bot in order to get started. If you guys do want to rent a sneaker bot, I'll be going through that process also in this video. Now for the sake of time, I'm not going to go over which bot is like the best bot to get started and all that. I made a couple of videos in the past couple of weeks going over the best bot to get started right now. So if you guys do want to check out some of those videos, I'll link them down in the description below. I would definitely suggest giving them a watch, or at least have an idea what bot you want to rent before you watch this video. Not only am I going to show you guys how to successfully purchase a sneaker bot and not get scammed, but we're also going to hop onto my computer. I'm going to show you guys my setups for every single release. And if you guys have seen my streams, or if you've seen some of my past videos, it's the exact setup that I use and that I've been successful with. So we're going to go over which proxies I use, which servers, what groups I'm in, and everything under the sun. So if you guys do enjoy this video, or I do help you guys out in any way, please be sure to hit that like button down below. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're on my computer now. We are in the Botmart Discord. If you guys have not joined Botmart, it's pretty much like the largest Discord for selling, buying, trading, renting, anything you can imagine with bots is done in this Discord. So if you guys haven't joined, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you guys can join. Or if you guys join Saber, my group, or if you're in Saber, we have a partnership with them. So you guys get, I believe it's $1 off your membership. So you get it for like $2 every 3 months instead of 3. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave links to that all down in the description below. So once you guys are in the Discord, there's a whole bunch of channels, as you can see. If you don't have a membership, you won't be able to type in any of these, but if you buy membership, you'll be able to type, like wanting to buy cyber, wanting to buy a rental of cyber, or whatnot. I'm not going to be going through all the channels and showing you every single thing, but the main thing you need to know, so want to buy is WTB, want to sell is WTS, want to rent is WTR, and want to rent out is WTRO. Now, want to rent out and want to rent are pretty similar, but the only difference is if you have a bot you're wanting to rent to someone else, that's when you'll say WTRO. And then if you have a bot you're wanting to use it for yourself, you'll say WTR. That gets pretty confusing. Even myself, I find myself slipping up sometimes using that. But for the most part, just know if it has an O, the person's wanting to rent the bot out. So you're going to go through all these channels and find the bot you're either wanting to buy or wanting to rent. So if you're wanting to rent a bot out, you typically don't have a middleman. You pretty much just want to make sure the person you're renting from is legit. So as you can see, a lot of these people have like 500 plus revs, or they put like how many references they have. The more references, the better. So make sure the real references. So if we click on this guy's profile, we'll see his little Twitter account right here. We'll go to his Twitter and we'll see his legit check. You'll see most of these people are legit. In fact, I know a lot of people on this list right here, so we know he's legit. So just make sure if you're renting from someone, they're 100% legit. Otherwise, you're gonna get scammed pretty easily by renting a bot out. Because when you rent a bot out, pretty much what happens is they give you the key for a allotted amount of time, and they could easily take the bot back at any point after that, once they give you the key and like once they get the money. So just know the person you're renting from if you do wanna go down that route. Now, if you want to purchase a bot, definitely 110, definitely use a middleman. No matter what circumstances, use a middleman. I don't care if it's someone you know, someone you don't know, someone you think's like popular, use a middleman no matter what. So first things first, you're going to find the person you want to buy the bot from. In my case, I'm going to be purchasing Valor today because I want to pick it up. I think it's a great bot. So you're going to go through all these sellers, find which person you can get down to be the lowest. You can go through and message all these people. Just make sure they're pretty legit. For the most part, if you have a middleman, you're going to be pretty safe. So you're going to DM all these people and find the person that gives you the best price. So once you find that person, simply go to the open a ticket channel, do dash new, and then put the bot you're wanting to buy or sell if you're the seller. So as you can see, I have the ticket open right here. I said the person's username. This is just the ID from the username. Like I right clicked on him and did copy ID. Just super easy, so they don't have to type out the actual like username. Then I put the bot I'm wanting to buy in the price. So Valor 6.1K, telling them I'm covering all the fees as far as middleman, and then my payment method, which is Zelle, and then I'm doing half of the transaction in Venmo. Then from here, guys, the middleman is going to join and pretty much take control of the situation. The person is going to transfer the bot to the middleman, and then the middleman will give you the green light to send the money to the person. And once they get the money, the middleman will then DM you and give you access to the bot. Also, guys, be sure to talk to different people, see which one's going to give you the best price. There's literally hundreds of sellers. Actually, there's like 70,000 people in the Discord, so there's going to be a bunch of different people selling the bot. So if you find someone for a good deal, see if you can get a better deal from someone else. Most of the time you can. Like I was going to buy Valor for 6.5, and then I found someone for 6.1, and then all the other people started saying they do 6.1. So most of these guys are pretty open when it comes to negotiation. So definitely be sure you're negotiating all of your deals. So that's pretty much it when it comes to purchasing a bot, guys. Make sure to use a middleman, use your head. If the deal is way too good to be true, likely is, guys. And never ever do like a deal in DMs. always make sure it's in Botmart with a middleman, not a middleman in like your DMs, because that's an easy scam also. So just be aware, guys. Be sure to check out like everything. But other than that, guys, it's really simple and easy to purchase a bot. Another option we have besides Botmart is Bot Broker. Bot Broker is honestly super straightforward. I don't really even need to go over anything about it. Just go to botbroker.io and you'll see like all these bots right here you can purchase. It instantly adds it to your Discord account. No middleman needed. It's 100% safe. I've used it. I've sold on it. I haven't had any issues with it. I'm not sponsored or anything by Botmart or Bot Broker just yet. Maybe eventually, but not right now. I just truly believe in their service. So if you guys do need a bot, Bot Broker, Botmart, my top 2 choices. Alright guys, so now that we've successfully either rented our bot or purchased our bot, we're going to be on my desktop now. I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your bot and how I personally set up for releases. So for the sake of the video, I want to be using Wrath. Let's say you guys are going to Wrath for the month. We have some easy jobs, we have some foot site jobs, so it's not really a bad decision. For the most part, guys, this bot setup is going to be the same as CyberCut. Pretty much all the major bots. The only thing different is going to be the UI and potentially how you put in your profiles. That's pretty much about it. All this stuff is pretty much the same when it comes to it. So if you're renting or you bought a different bot, definitely be sure to read all the guides in the Discord. And if you're renting from somebody else, just ask them to send over all the guides, all the beginner guides, and you'll be good to go. So first things first, we have our task setup page. Right now, we can't set up our task because we don't have any profiles or proxies added. So from here, we're going to go to our profile tab. I'm going to make a new profile group and then just simply input all my information right here. Super easy to do. Just put in your name, your billing, your payment, and you're pretty much good to go. I'll leave a link down in the description below to a video that goes over how to jig all your profiles, whether it's for foot sites, Supreme, Easy Supply, anything like that. It'll have everything you guys need to know, because if you don't jig your profiles correctly, you are going to get cancels. But once you guys have your profiles in here correctly, simply just come over here to the little globe. Obviously, yours is probably going to be different. Most bots say proxies or something like that. From here, guys, you are going to need proxies. If you guys don't have proxies, don't worry. I have a proxy company, Noble Proxies. I'm going to be giving you guys 5% off your whole order. So if you guys go down in the description below, you'll see Noble Proxies right here. All you do is simply click purchase plan, or you can simply just scroll down. Pick however many gigabytes you are going to be using. Personally, guys, I use about 4 to 6 gigabytes every single month. You don't have to buy it all at once. So if you want to buy, I don't know, 2 gigabytes to start and then go from there, it's 100% up to you. Just know, guys, if you are using more data during a drop and you run out, you're not going to have any more proxies. So I would definitely probably overshoot it rather than undershoot it. Another thing is, guys, you don't have to buy my proxies. You can use any other proxy company you want. I might even suggest buying a mix of proxies and using different ones, seeing which ones work best for you. Personally, I like using Noble. Obviously, I'm probably a little biased because it's my company, but I've had success with them. You guys have seen me cop, so I'll just let that success speak for itself. So simply just purchase your proxies here. You can put in a promo code UC5 to get 5% off your order. Then from there, just hit the purchase button, put in your card information, and then it'll be sent to your dashboard. Just simply log in with your Discord, and then you'll see your dashboard right here. Now go over to where it says residential, make sure that's clicked. Hit the type. I always use sticky proxies. You can pick your location. Obviously, I'm using the US. And then choose the site you guys are going to be running. For the sake of the video, I'm going to be using Footlocker. Put in the match you guys are going to be using. Personally, I like to run 3 to 1 proxy to task ratio. So if you have 100 tasks, use 300 proxies, and then so on and so forth. So to simply hit generate, copy your proxies, and then head back over to your bot. From there, just simply name the list you're going to be using. I'll put Resis right here, hit save, and you'll be good to go. Now there are a couple different types of proxies you guys can be using. You can use ISPs, DCs, or residentials. Personally, for the most part, I run a mix of ISPs and Resis just because that tends to have the best success for me. At the time of making this video, Noble is out of stock on ISPs, but we're going to be getting a big batch in soon. So by the time you're watching this video, we might be back in stock. So you can use that 5% off code if you guys would like. Personally, I might suggest buying like 2 gigs of Resi, 25, 50 ISPs, and seeing what you guys can do from there. Now, once we have our proxies, we're pretty much set to go. We have our profiles in, we have our proxies in. Now, the next thing to do is create some tasks. So for Wrath, first thing you want to do is make your task group right here, then head over to the little plus right here and just add a task. We're going to be using Footlocker for the sake of the video. If you guys do have a bot, like I said, definitely be sure to read the guides for your specific bot, just because you're going to have the best success with using those, obviously. So I would highly suggest reading all the guides for specific stores and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be using a random product for the sake of this video. This is a phone plaza that hasn't launched yet. So from here, you're going to put in your product information, your product SKU, whatever it is. Pick the profile group if you're using Wrath. Most bots don't have this, some do. Pick the profile, select the proxies you're going to want to use. So I'm using Resis, and then select select your sizes. I'm gonna hit random for the sake of the video. Then from here, you can pick the number of tasks you want and the quantity. I would always have the quantity to 1 just because most of these shoes are only gonna be 1 per person and you're not gonna be able to add multiple to cart. And then I'm gonna make 100 tasks right here. Headed over to the advanced mode. Most bots have advanced mode, but you don't really need to mess with it. So from here, I'm gonna hit create task in the bottom right, and then you'll see all my tasks right here. Now generally guys, I'm gonna start my task 5 to 10 minutes before the actual release, but for the sake of the video, I'm only gonna start one of these tasks. So I'm gonna right click and hit start like you guys just saw, and then you'll see it'll be on sleeping for a while now because the release is a couple days away. It's as simple as that guys for foot sites. To start 5 to 10 minutes before the actual release. You see the product is picked up right here and you'll be good to go. Now I'm only going to be covering foot sites for the sake of the video just because there's so many other different sites you guys can run. Definitely be sure to read the guides for your specific bot. I would definitely watch YouTube videos on how to run it, watch live cops and like people that have copped successfully, see what they're doing, see what you can change about your setup. And if you guys don't have a group, that's another very valuable resource you guys can use because most of these groups are going to have support people in there to help you set up your bot successfully. Little shameless promo guys, and Saber the night before we do like an hour or 2 hour pre-Q&A drop that allows you guys to get into the text channel or the voice chat, ask us questions, see my setup, let you guys know what I'm running, what's my setup looking like, and all that good stuff. If you guys want to join Saber for only $35 a month, you get access to a bunch of different stuff, whether it's release guides, 24/7 support, monitors, and just so much other stuff, a whole rental system, whatever you guys need. I'll leave links down in the description below if you guys are interested. If you guys have any questions or anything that I didn't go over in this video, be sure to drop a comment down in the comment section below. Also guys, I'm working on a complete beginner's course showing you guys literally like everything you need to get started reselling sneakers, like everything from making your Discord account all the way to renting out, setting up, buying 10s of 20s of pairs of shoes, where to sell those shoes, and literally everything you guys want to know. I'll have more information on that very soon, but if you guys are very interested in that, leave a comment down below and let me know. And as always, if it did help you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button for more content. Links to Noble Proxies and Saber down in the description also, and a bunch of other useful videos that you guys should watch if you want to get started. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.